In this quick video, I want to help you fix a commercial air blower mover that is not powerful enough. It's not blowing a strong enough air out. So there's a few things that could be causing that. First thing you want to do is check your power source. So if you have it plugged into an extension cord, it could be that you're not getting enough power from the extension cord. So test it out on a wall outlet and see if the power comes back. If it does, then you know that the extension cord that you have is the wrong kind. You need to get more of a commercial grade extension cord or just use a wall outlet. That's like one of the number one things. So that's the second thing. What I want you to do is reset it. So locate the GFCI button that a lot of them have. It's a reset button. And what you can do is check and see if there's a little, it's a red or a black button. Check around the body. Now this particular one's a tornado, but a lot of them have the GFCI reset button. And if you find one, it's basically a reset button. Go ahead and make sure it's popped in and press that button, and that will actually reset it. That may fix your issue. A lot of times that will fix it. If you've had it running a long time and it's not blowing fast enough, it may just need to be cooled down. So make sure that you cool it down for at least 30 minutes before you retry to turn it back on. Go ahead and unplug it. All right. And the number one cause of a air blow mover, commercial grade, the number one reason why you're not getting strong enough air coming through is because there's a filter. Now each one is different. So there's some that actually have clips. Make sure you unplug it first. And some of them have clips where you can remove the fan grill. Some of them, they have like little Allen wrenches or screws. You need to look at your user manual or look on Google. And then look for the filter and replace the filter. So a dirty filter is the number one reason. Or you can clean the filter. And then the actual fan blades, while you have it off, go ahead and clean them off. Get you a dry towel and clean all the dust and clean them really well. Reassemble, plug it back in, and then see if that fixes your problem. All right, thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what brand that you have. Do you have a Tornado? Do you have a Craftsman? Do you have a DeWalt? Do you have a Bizzle? What do you have?